So hello everyone. As we are discussing about the concept of database, so as we know what is data, what is information, and where and all the database applications are used. So today, as there is a processing cycle, okay, so we call it as data processing cycle. Data processing cycle. So in this data processing cycle, first, as the diagrammatically you can show, as the data we have to prepare the data, as I told you, to collection of data is very important. So that is data preparation. Okay, so we have collected all the data. Okay, so that is raw facts. Then from this data we are giving the input. Okay, that is we have data input. We have data input. Okay, from this data input, what should be done? It should process. So whatever the data you are giving from the input, it should process. Okay, that is your data processing can be done. Data processing. So ultimately, as the processing happens, so your data output, so what is the result you want, so that should be occur, that is your data output. And as we are processing the data, so your data should be stored, so that is your storage. We have a data storage. You have to store the data. So this is the basic data processing cycle. As you have to prepare the data, means collection of the data. Next, you have to give the data input. Next, the processing will happen. Okay, so next, from this processing we will get the output. Ultimately, whatever you processed, that should be stored in the your storage device. So this is the basic life cycle. So here, first one, we have the data input. So as we collect the data, will all collection happens, then we start inputting the data. So this input can be done with your any device, like you have the keyboard or you take the mouse. Okay, so you may any other devices which can be used for input. Okay, so the first one, that is we have the data input. You have to give the data input. So in this, the input may be anything. It may be letters. So input may be letters. Input may be symbols. Okay, so whatever the input you want to give, or input may be any numbers, or input may be any shapes. Okay, or input may be any images. We have to give any images, or whether it may be a raw material which will be into the computer system that need to be processed. Okay, so whatever you are giving from this input, it should be processed. Okay, so as we are given the input, so here whatever the input we are giving into the English, okay, English language, but it should be converted into machine code. So we are given into English language, so English to machine code. So as you know that computer will understand only the machine language, that is 0 and 1. So whatever the letters or symbols or numbers or shapes, images, whatever the data you enter, so that is in the English, it should be converted into the machine code by your input device. Okay, that is the first one, that is data input. So after the data input, you have to process, that is we call it as data processing. Data processing. So in this, as you know, The processing is a series of actions or the operations. Okay, the processing is a series of actions or operations. So as we can do some actions, we can do some operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or you can do the logical operations, okay, from the input data, whatever, so how it will process from whatever the input data you give, okay. So from the input data to generate the output, okay, from the input data to generate output. So as we are given the input, so the data will be processed. So it may be any operation or it may be any action. The series of actions, series of operations can be processed, and this conversion of data into the information, converting of data into information. So as it should be come into the actual process, okay, process of the data, it should come, that is information. As I told you, that is converting of data into the information, which should be done by the CPU, so that is central processing unit. So this processing happens in your CPU. So whatever the input you give, from that input all the operations will be done, and the input data to be generated as a result of output, and the data whatever you give, that should be processed and it should be come into the form of information that will be done in your CPU, that is central processing unit, okay. That is we have data processing. And third one, we have the storage, okay. There is a storage. So as you know, we can store the data. So the storage of data with the two types, one is with the primary and with secondary. The data can be stored with the primary and the secondary. So as the primary data, it temporarily holds the data, okay. It will be your primary data which will be temporary, as we have the RAM, okay. So temporarily holds the data, but that is for the storage, okay. So holds the data waiting to be processed, So that is where will happen, that is in the case of RAM, that is your RAM and ROM are the primary storage. So and the RAM, and it is inside your system, okay, and it is inside the computer. The RAM, we have the slot that will be inside the system. So that is the primary storage which will be done for the temporary. And as you know, the secondary, where the data stored permanently, okay, data stored. So as we have number of devices to store the data, but ultimately in the CPU we have the hard disk, okay, which is the storage of the permanent data, okay. So that is permanently, data stored permanently, okay. So as you can use the different devices, so the first device which will be in the system, that is your hard disk. So you can use some floppy disk, still floppy disk are outdated, and you are using some CD or you are using some pen drive, that is USB, okay. So which will be stored permanently, that is secondary storage device. So as the data will be processed and it will be stored in the primary first, that will be temporary, and as the data will be stored in the permanently, that is secondary storage, okay. So that is your third one in the data processing cycle, that is storage. As the last, which you should get the output based on what the input you are given, so what the result you want, okay. So that is your output. So fourth one, we have the output, okay, as the result obtained after the processing, okay, because after the processing only you should get the result, okay. So the result obtained after the processing. So as the CPU process the data, okay, processing the data, after processing the data, okay, and must be presented in the user, to the user, okay, whatever the output you need, that should be presented for the users, okay. Data must be presented, so whatever the output that should need, that should be given to the particular user, must be presented to the user, and as it is given to the user in the user understandable form, in the user understandable form. So user has to understand what the output is, okay, and this output may be, as you can save and you can see in the system, or you can save it and you can take the printout. So as you can have the soft copy, you can call it as a soft copy and hard copy. So as if you want to see the output in the soft copy, that is you can see in the system. So if you want to take a printout, or if you want to see the output, that will be in the hard copy, that will be your printer, and you can see in the paper, that is the output will come into the result, okay. So that is the output which can be obtained after processing the data. So as this is the life cycle, as we are processing the data, which will be data input, first you have to give the input, then the processing will happen, means the operations will happen, and the operations as data to the information will done into the CPU, and it will store the data as we have the primary and the secondary. First it will store in the temporary, next the permanent, that is the secondary. As the result 100%, the output should come, the result should be obtained for the processing of the data as the user understandable form. So this is all about data processing cycle. So as in the next class we will discuss, there are some terms about the database. Thank you very much.